Well, I did the pig pen. I got some more piglets, and the rainy season really turned us into shit. So I gotta, I have to um make some new pens. And my sow is out. She over there chilling out under the tree. I was in Abaco for about a year, so then slow down, grow up, and all that stuff. But I back now doing this and crawfishing, so yeah, this is why I have time off from crawfishing. So this line here is gonna be the line of new post. And I just trying to figure out how I can connect them and whatever. And then we go back this way. They building it with the bush in it so they could clear it out as however they like it. And then it'll go over that way through the bush. So yeah, that's what I up against for right now.